Okay, we're going to talk about the most important part of this app, and it's layers. So see where that number 1 is down in the right hand corner. If you click on that, it gives you your layers. You can see that there's a number 1 and that there's blue all the way around that number 1. That is the layer I'm going to be drawing on right now. So I'll choose my color, and for this one, I'm just thinking simple, doing something really, really simple, kind of coloring that in. Not too worried about it. Now I have kind of this flower looking thing. If I go back to the layers, you can see on layer number 1, I have that same shape. I'm going to hit the plus sign. So plus sign, and that's going to allow me to have a new layer. I'll choose a new color, this time maybe this blue. Then I can go ahead and I'm going to increase my color, my brush here, and I'm filling that all the way in. Don't worry, I still have that flower available. If I click on the layers again, and do you see those 3 lines right beside that big blue box that I just created? I need to press on the 3 lines and pull it down. When I do that, my first layer goes down to my second layer, and the one that has the flower pops up. I'm going to hit another layer. This time, I'm going to move it right away and push it all the way up. See how that blue is behind that number 3 layer? So that means that I can go ahead, add yet, too much, undo, no problem. I'm going to go to a yellow-ish. Okay, and then make my brush a little bit smaller. And then double check my layer. Oh, I can't see anything. Do you see? Man, when I look over here, oh, I need to move this layer up. So I'm touching the 3 lines and bringing it to the top. Boom, there is another layer. So layers are powerful because we can change them around. If I want to see what it would look without it, I'm going to poke the eye. Do you see that eye? If I poke the eye, it shuts that eye off, and I can see what it would look like without that layer. If I don't want to be able to write on it again, I can lock it. Now when I try to write on it, that lock comes up and it says, no way, can't do it. If it's unlocked, then it stays able to draw on it. So layers is super, super important. If I decide that I don't want a layer, I'm going to click on it so the blue is around, and then I'll hit that trash can right up above. And then I can go ahead and add another layer, try it again. So layers is one of